Vancouver's big secret. Why is everyone watching Vancouver real estate? We've got the latest trends and hotspots to keep you ahead in the market.
It's sunny. It's sunny in Van.
Is Vancouver's real estate market finally turning a corner? October's numbers reveal some big moves that could be the start of a long awaited comeback. In October, the greater Vancouver market came alive with home sales soaring 31.9% above last year, thanks to the Bank of Canada's recent interest rate cuts, which are giving buyers a boost. And it's not just sales, new listings jumped to 5,452, a 16.9% increase from last year and a full 20% above the 10-year average. This surge in listings, which brings the total to 14,477, suggests sellers are feeling the market heat up too, with more choices available than we've seen in months. Andrew List, the board's director of economics and data analytics, notes a renewed strength in demand, as buyers who were on the sidelines now appear to be jumping in with lower borrowing costs. The composite benchmark price is at $1,172,200, down just 1.9% from last year. But with this wave of buyer activity, prices could start stabilizing soon. Zooming into neighborhoods like Burnaby, Richmond, and Vancouver itself, buyer interest is clearly picking up. The Fraser Valley tells a similar story with an impressive 37% jump in sales over last year, the strongest year over year gain in months. FVREB Chair Jeff Chada suggests this surge might be just the beginning as buyers react to the latest rate cut down to 3.75%. With the market showing renewed energy, Vancouver's real estate may be poised for a fresh phase of growth. Could this be the comeback buyers and sellers have been waiting for? Curious about where Vancouver's real estate market is headed? We've got the latest numbers across neighborhoods, revealing some surprising trends in detached homes, apartments, and townhouses. Let's dive into the details and explore what these shifts mean for 2024. In Vancouver as a whole, property prices have slightly dipped over the past year. From October 2023 to October 2024, Vancouver's property prices dropped by 1.0%, with the current price standing at $1,269,200. Moving over to West Vancouver, prices have seen a similar decline of 1.7%, now at $1,300,000. North Vancouver saw a more substantial decrease, with prices falling by 4.2% to $1,320,200. Interestingly, East Vancouver's prices remain steady at $1,216,300, indicating some resilience in that area. Now, if we zoom in specifically on detached homes, the trends vary even further. Vancouver's detached home prices have actually risen by 1.2% over the year, pushing the price to $2,613,000. However, West Vancouver experienced a decrease, with prices falling by 1.9% to $3,369,100. North Vancouver's detached homes saw an even sharper drop, down 4.6%, setting the price at $2,135,600. Meanwhile, East Vancouver followed a positive trend with a 1.1% increase, bringing the price to $1,891,900. For apartments, the story shifts again, with all areas experiencing a year over year decrease. Vancouver's apartment prices dropped by 2.1%, now standing at $789,300. In West Vancouver, apartment prices also fell by 1.8%, with the current price at $829,900. North Vancouver's apartments followed a similar pattern, with prices down by 2.1% to $790,400. East Vancouver had the steepest drop among apartment prices, falling by 3.4% and bringing the price to $685,500. Finally, let's look at townhouses, which have shown growth across the board. Vancouver's townhouse prices rose by a healthy 2.0%, now sitting at $1,336,600. Townhouse prices climbed by 1.4% in West Vancouver, reaching $1,456,500. North Vancouver followed closely with a 1.9% increase, setting the price at $1,364,500. East Vancouver topped the townhouse growth chart, with prices up by 3.6%, bringing the price to $1,156,400. With Vancouver's market constantly evolving, knowing which areas are heating up or cooling down is key. The Sunny and Van real estate team is here to help you make the most of these insights. Whether you're buying, selling, or investing, let's find your next sunny spot in Vancouver together. Looking for the perfect mix of city convenience and peaceful parkside living? Park Langara in Vancouver's Oak Ridge neighborhood might be your ideal match. Set for completion in early 2025, this exciting development offers condos and townhouses starting at $632,900 with floor plans ranging from 428 to nearly 1,500 square feet. Buyers can choose from 1, 2, and 3 bedroom options, all built with contemporary concrete designs that promise style and durability. Situated along the Cambie corridor at 6859 Cambie Street, Park Langara offers easy access to both vibrant urban hubs and nature. At the same time, popular shopping areas at Cambie and 41st and Cambie and Marine are just steps away. For outdoor lovers, Langara Golf Course is right across the street, along with nearby parks and trails to enjoy. Even with Vancouver's rainy and cloudy forecast this week, inside, every home features upscale finishes, wood flooring, quartz countertops, high-end Bosch, Panasonic, and Blomberg appliances, plus AC and spacious ceilings. If you're interested in exploring this opportunity, the Sunny Inn Van Real Estate team is here to guide you to your perfect match. Let's make your Vancouver home dreams a reality. Could this $749,000 property be your path to long-term wealth? With a $56,175 down payment and a mortgage of $692,825, let's dive into what this investment could bring over the next decade. Imagine starting with a manageable monthly mortgage payment of $3,746. Renting it out could bring in $2,311 each month, covering a large portion of your costs and leaving you with a monthly loss of $1,654. Even with this initial minus 2.94% ROI from rental income, holding on to this property could be key to unlocking substantial wealth. Over 10 years, simply holding on to the property would allow you to build up $128,208 in equity. If Vancouver's market performs as expected, this property's value could increase to $1,378,497, giving you a potential profit of $629,497 by the time you decide to sell. When we add up your down payment, rental income, and equity, your total gains could reach $643,664. And even if the market appreciates more conservatively, say by 50%, this property could still be worth around $1,020,854, giving you a potential profit of $271,854 at the end of 10 years. When we add up the rental income, down payment, and equity gains, the 10-year total ROI could reach an impressive 1,046%. This isn't just about numbers. Investing in Vancouver's real estate is about securing a piece of a city known for steady long-term growth. Whether the market soars or grows gradually, this property offers the potential for wealth building that few other investments can match. And with the Sunny Inn Van Real Estate team by your side, you'll have guidance through every step. Could this Kindle be the ultimate reading device? The new Kindle Paperwhite Signature Edition is loaded with upgrades to make reading anywhere a breeze. With a larger 7-inch display, lightning fast 25% page turn speed, and a roomy 32 gigabyte storage, this Kindle is a book lover's dream. It's ultra thin, waterproof, and built to go from the pool to the beach to your favorite reading nook. Add in up to 12 weeks of battery life and wireless charging, and you're always set for your next chapter without power worries. This Kindle is all about simplicity, comfort, and keeping you immersed in your stories without interruptions. Could this be your best reading companion yet? Get ready, Vancouver. The 111th Grey Cup isn't just a game, it's a full week of festival fun, music, and food that will light up the city from November 10th to 17th. The Grey Cup Festival brings Canada Place way alive with over 20 live music acts, delicious food trucks, games, and activities for all ages. And for thrill seekers, 2 new zip lines will add an unforgettable twist to the festivities. The festival is designed for everyone, with accessible facilities and plenty of parking, kicking off daily from 11 a.m., 3 p.m. on the 10th and 17th. Whether you're there for the game or the festivities, Vancouver's Grey Cup is set to deliver excitement, memories, and a showcase of true Canadian spirit. Don't miss it. Thanks for tuning in to our deep dive into Vancouver's real estate market. If you enjoyed this video, hit like, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe. Until next time, happy house hunting. Sunny out.
Welcome to sunny in Van, where the sun always shines. Join us on this journey to find your dream home in Vancouver, with sunny as your home.